So let's just get right into it. Last month I decided to check on a little experiment I had running in the background. I opened up my trading account and scrolled to the profit and loss statement. The number I saw was, frankly, a little unbelievable. It was a net profit of exactly $12,450. And the best part? I didn't manually place a single one of those trades myself. All of that profit was generated completely passively, while I was filming videos, while I was grabbing coffee, while I was sleeping. This wasn't some lucky stock pick or a risky options play. This was the result of a carefully configured AI trading bot, software I set up and let run on its own. It's a crazy thought. A robot earning more than the average monthly US salary without me lifting a finger. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds too good to be true, right? I was just as skeptical. The internet is littered with promises of easy money, get-rich-quick schemes, gurus selling courses promising to make you a millionaire overnight. I've seen it all, and my default is to assume it's a scam. That's why I didn't jump in headfirst. I approached it with a healthy dose of cynicism, and a very small amount of money I was fully prepared to lose. The idea of automated income is the holy grail for personal finance. I had to see if it was a pipe dream or something the average person could use. This journey wasn't overnight. It started with literally $0 invested, just my time. I spent weeks, if not months, buried in research. This is the full story. From the spark of curiosity to that $12,450 profit statement. I'm sharing this because I believe in transparency. I want to pull back the curtain on what's possible with these technologies, but I'll also be brutally honest about the risks and the effort required. Alright, so before we go any further, let's break down what an AI trading bot actually is without any complicated jargon. Think of it like a very smart, very fast, completely emotionless assistant whose only job is to trade for you. You give this assistant a specific set of rules to follow. For example, if Bitcoin drops 3% in 1 hour, and this indicator crosses a line, buy $100. Then, if the price rises 5% from where you bought, sell immediately. That's the basic idea. It executes a pre-programmed strategy automatically, 24/7. The AI part takes it further. It analyzes price history, trading volume, news sentiment, and complex patterns. It's like having thousands of Wall Street analysts working for you, except no coffee breaks and never a bad day. The bot makes decisions based on data and probability, removing fear and removing greed. I got curious because manual trading is exhausting. Glued to charts, second-guessing, anxiety when trades go against you. So, an AI trading bot is a tool, not a crystal ball. Sophisticated software that executes your strategy with speed and precision. My journey into AI trading began where most of my projects do, with a deep dive into YouTube and Google. I started by searching for terms like best AI trading bots, crypto trading bot results, automated trading for beginners. This led me down a massive rabbit hole. Sheer volume of options available. Dozens of platforms claiming the most advanced AI, the highest returns, the easiest to use interface. Many were marketing hype, showcasing unrealistic profit percentages. I needed to filter out the noise and find transparent, verifiable platforms. I created a spreadsheet to compare the top contenders. My criteria were simple but